and Scoop, robots and Leia, having a lot of fun.
Who's the fastest one?
They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck.
Leo!
Leo the truck. The friends are at the farm today.
We've done quite well.
We've gathered all the hay.
There's a lot of work to do on the farm in autumn, but the friends have managed to get everything done on time.
Yeah, and we've almost gathered all the apples.
Huh? Who's that there? Eating our apples? Hey, stop!
Let's go and have a look.
That's who was eating the apples, the horses.
Yum, 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 yum.
Huh? Where are the horses?
They ran away.
They're on the field. They're eating the hay.
Where are the horses going to live in winter?
They'll probably get very, very cold.
Whoa. I know. Let's go and build the horses.
A house.
And some troughs.
With apples.
Let's go. I know a spot.
Leo's decided to show his friends where they will build a stable, a house for horses.
Here.
Huh?
What a wonderful spot! Scoop is going to dig the foundations. The concrete mixer's carrying wet concrete. It's pouring the mixture into the holes for supports. But where are the horses?
Huh? Come here, come here.
They're a little scared. Leo's brought the lumber. These are the supports they'll have to fix the pens and doors to. On top go the arches, support for the roof. Underneath, the pens. The walls. And the roof. The stable is ready. Let's build a small fence around it. And a pier as well, so there's more room for walking around. Do you like it, Scoop?
Hooray! It's done.
Nice and cozy.
We forgot the feeding troughs.
That's right. They need to be attached to the pens. Which ones do we need?
Huh. These ones here.
The troughs are in place.
Robots, can you bring us some hay, please?
Huh?
Now the horses can walk around and exercise here.
They can jump over this barrier and drink over here. Oh, the red robot can't lift up the hay bale. It's very heavy. What's he come up with? Be careful. Don't fight now. Look, the tractor.
Here they come!
The robots have brought the hay. Let's put it in the troughs.
Hey!
Is everything done? Can we call the horses?
Uh-huh.
The horses are entering their new house. Enjoy the food.
Huh? Okay. Shh.
The horses like their house.
Hooray! Huh?
Time for us to eat too. Huh?
Wow! Scoops tamed the horse!
The robots also want to pet it. But the horse is hiding from them.
Oh, wow!